All right. Hey guys, we're back. I had some trouble with audio again, but I did get everything else to work, and audio is working when I'm recording it. So at least this time we're going to just take and record it and upload it, and you'll see it in a little bit here. I don't know why things are still not working completely like they should. I have some work to do to figure out what's going on. Hopefully you can hear us quite well. The new microphone does look to be working, and it shows signs of working much better. And hopefully you can hear me very well now. And I will be striving to make more corrections in that regards as best as I can. I have some stuff to figure out, obviously. How you doing, Stacey?
Just fine, Sean.
All right. I have a lovely Stacey with me. And
Hi,
now,
everyone.
Oh, sorry. Now we're going to take and let's try doing some calls. We're at one of our prime locations where we've had some success. Or at least getting Alice to call back. And according to, I'm getting bitten right now. Sorry about that. And there is a chance that it could be at times Bigfoot. So that's something of interest to us to try to keep in mind. So let's, without further ado, let's begin. Was that an owl already?
I didn't hear
in the
anything.
distance? I thought I heard one, but it was way off.
I was trying to go live on Facebook, but I don't have a reception.
You don't have a reception?
No.
Yeah, I maybe that's part of the reason why I could not get audio issues, was because of reception. I don't know. We're gonna try something though. Woo! I'm also, with the new mic, you have a chance of actually hearing much better what we hear surrounding us as well.
Yeah, bugs.
Yeah, right now it's the rough in terms of mosquitoes. Did you hear anything? I didn't.
I didn't hear anything.
All right. We're going to try a variety of things as well. I'm going to try the big one, okay? It'll make me cough, so it'll make me cough, but it's interesting still to
yeah,
try.
I'm going to back up a couple.
Let's go this way, so because of the way that the microphone's facing. Oh! Woo! Woo!
We're not live, right? We're just recording.
That's correct. This is being recorded. This is not live.
Okay.
Excuse me. Why? Why'd you ask?
Oh, I wasn't sure. I thought you said it was just recording.
No. Yeah, it's just recording.
Okay.
But at least the good thing is we're able to go through better. And we might, I'm considering then doing it, recording a lot more, because for we don't get a lot of people to watch live, and the signal will certainly be a lot better. You'll be able to watch it in its entirety without issues. So that's certainly something.
Oops.
I do like the concept of going live though, because it's different, and that's what I prefer. Why I prefer to do that. But getting a cell phone signal is not always possible in the middle of the woods. That certainly is a major issue.
Nope, I've been trying to get a signal. Yeah, nothing.
Well, I didn't hear anything. Did you hear anything?
I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're going to keep trying some different things off and on. Because you never know what's going to work until you try it. Let's try some tree knocks. Can you see me in there okay?
Yeah, yeah, I can see you.
Okay. I think last time I had it closer when I did tree knocks right here. I think, but not by much though. Woo!
That was loud.
You think so?
Yeah.
They could probably hear that one. Still no owls even. I mean, no owls at all yet. I wonder if it's something related to weather or time of year change or what it would be. Woo, 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 woo. I figure even try some kind of like mumbling, because some of the sounds they make are like mumbling. There's always a chance that we would get some kind of call back, or we might hear mumbling in the background if we'd be really lucky if we did something like that. So rah, 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 rah.
I heard the whistle back, but that wasn't a real loud whistle.
I can't whistle that loud either. Rah, 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 rah. Purdy
Yeah, that's
whistle.
not loud.
The good old purdy whistle. Good job, Stacey.
Yeah, I don't think I can do one of them anymore.
Yeah, I can't do that
My school
loud.
teacher used to do that all the time on the recess.
Really?
Yeah, it was loud. I can't do that.
I have no idea how to do that.
I used to be able to do it. Trying. I'm getting there. I'm trying.
Good job,
I used
Stacey.
to
Good
be able
try.
to do it. I swear.
Well, that's what you're trying. That's what matters.
I have to practice at home so I can get louder.
Yeah, that definitely more practice is needed. But that's how we all get better, is by practicing and stumbling around and making fun of ourselves, and everything. That's how you get better. All kinds of
It's
stuff.
fine. You guys can make fun of my whistle. I don't care. Ooh, wait a minute. I almost had it. Getting a little louder.
You're getting louder, yeah.
least I had fun blowing. I don't know if that's allowed on Facebook, if you put this on Facebook, but I thought I had to make a joke.
You know what? That's a good thing. That's something I think we need to do, is try to have more humor when we're doing this. That was okay.
I work with all men, so it's like I hear this kind of stuff every day. You gotta have some fun when you're at work, or it makes
Yes, you do.
a long 8 hours.
We sing all the time, and we sing horribly, but it's fun as can be. We're definitely not going to win any Academy Awards, but yet we joke about all kinds of stuff, like our own school, and we have all kinds of esteemed faculty and students. What?
Did you hear that?
No, what?
There was something behind us. I just heard something. Unless it was freaking trees and the wind. But yeah, I heard something.
What'd you hear? What do you think you heard?
I don't know. I can't describe it. It sounded like something coming up on me.
Woo! Think it's behind us?
Yeah.
Let's start like throwing rocks, or trying. We'll throw rocks in a little bit. Let's try tree knocks.
I don't know.
Because most animals should avoid us because we're making all kinds of noise. Right?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it was just the wind, but I swore. Oh, shit. Shit. Get the camera.
Ending. Have you ever seen or experienced something that you cannot explain? If so, please contact us at the email address on your screen, centralpainvestigators@gmail.com. We're a group that we do cryptozoological. We also do mysterious or unknown, as well as the paranormal. Also, if you have a lead, please forward that to us, and we would be glad to have you join us. Have a good one. Thank you.